Today is 29th July and you are watching Rising TV. This is your dose of AI stories. Let's find out what's happening on the tech street. Let's dive in. OpenAI is developing a new AI-powered search feature, SearchGPT, to rival Google's dominance. This tool, integrated with ChatGPT, will provide real-time information and allow follow-up questions, enhancing user experience. Initially available to limited US users, it aims to make information recapture faster and more conversational. OpenAI, supported by Microsoft, is collaborating with publishers to address content and revenue concerns. The initiative highlights the growing impact of AI in search technology and raises environmental and media industry issues. AI-powered web application firewalls, WAFs, offer advanced security features compared to traditional firewalls by utilizing machine learning to identify and respond to threats in real time. These AI-driven systems can adapt to new threats more quickly and provide better protection against sophisticated attacks, such as SQL structured query language injection and cross-site scripting. Unlike traditional firewalls that rely on predefined rules, AI WAFs continuously learn and improve, offering more effective and efficient security measures for web applications. Assistant Professor Kasthuri Jayaraja at Najit is working on a robotic dog called the Unitree Go2 that can change its behavior based on the user's needs. The robot uses sensors to detect how a person is feeling, both physically and emotionally, making it useful for companionship and therapy, especially for older adults. Shaylee Levisadek, another researcher, focuses on using robots for rehabilitation. They are using advanced sensors and deep learning to make the robot more responsive. Some challenges include the robot's limited processing power and battery life. The team's initial results will be shared at the IROS conference. Mistral, a new player in the AI industry, positioning itself as a competitor to big tech giants like Google and Microsoft. Mistral aims to create advanced language models that are more efficient and accessible, potentially democratizing AI technology. The company's approach includes focusing on cost-effective and environmentally sustainable AI solutions. Mistral's emergence highlights the growing interest and competition in the AI field, particularly in developing technologies that can challenge established leaders. Meta has significantly progressed in the open-source AI field with the introduction of Llama 3.1, its latest large language model. This new iteration aims to advance AI capabilities by offering enhanced performance and broader applications. Meta's commitment to open-source development underscores its dedication to fostering innovation and collaboration within the AI community. With Llama 3.1, the company hopes to set new standards in language model technology, providing researchers and developers with powerful tools to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve.